Hi, I'm Dale with Edwards Garage, and today I've got a 2018 GMC SLE to show you. Thing is in awesome condition. It's got a bug deflector on it. It's got the wheelhouse liners in it, alloy wheels, the color match mirror caps on it, chrome running boards, a paint to match door handles. She's got a spray and box liner in it, under rail cargo lighting. We've got the GMC molded splash guards on it, corner steps in the rear bumper. As you can see from the video, the thing is just in phenomenal shape. Near new all-terrain tires on it as well, so it's pretty much ready to go. Cloth seats, and then up front we've got the full buckets in it, center console, wireless charging. Come on down to Edwards Garage. Have a look at this truck. I'll make you a good deal. I'm Dale. Looking forward to seeing you.